Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. In today's video, we're revealing 7 Zoom productivity tricks for PC that will save you hours. If you're tired of wasting time searching for features during meetings, this video is exactly what you need. Now let's get started. Number 1. Enable keyboard shortcuts in Zoom. Keyboard shortcuts let you perform common Zoom actions instantly without touching the mouse. They save precious seconds in every meeting and make multitasking smoother than ever. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop client and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner, then select Settings. Step 2. From the left-hand panel, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This will display a complete list of available shortcuts. Step 3. To customize a shortcut, simply click on it and press the new key combination you'd like to use. This allows you to set shortcuts that feel natural and quick for you. Step 4. If you ever want to go back to the default setup, just click the Restore Defaults button, and everything will reset instantly. Number 2. Scheduled meeting in Zoom. Scheduling meetings in Zoom ensures your sessions are well organized and participants receive all details ahead of time. It saves you from last-minute confusion and helps you stay on top of your calendar. This trick is essential for consistent productivity and smooth collaboration. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom Workplace app on your PC and click on Schedule. This is where you'll create a new meeting plan. Step 2. Enter your meeting description, then set the date, start time, and end time. You can also choose your time zone to make sure participants join at the right hour. Step 3. If needed, specify a meeting room or location. This is useful for hybrid or in-office sessions. Step 4. Click the description box to add extra details or an agenda for your meeting. You can also attach files that participants might need. Step 5. Once you're done, click Save. This automatically adds the meeting to your Zoom calendar. Step 6. To invite others, open the meeting in your calendar and select Copy Invitation. You can share this link with attendees directly. Step 7. When it's time to begin, click Start. Don't worry if it's a few minutes early or late. Zoom lets you start outside the scheduled time. Number 3. Customize meeting toolbar layout. Rearranging your Zoom toolbar ensures your most used features are always accessible, saving time and reducing distractions. A clean, personalized layout helps you focus on the meeting rather than searching for buttons. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Hover over the Zoom toolbar at the bottom of your window during a meeting. This will activate the drag and drop functionality for the buttons. Step 2. Click and drag any frequently used button like screen share, chat, breakout rooms, or recording to a more convenient position. This keeps your essential tools within easy reach. Step 3. Drag rarely used buttons such as the AI companion into the More menu to hide them. This declutters your toolbar and reduces visual distractions. Step 4. Repeat this process for host tools and apps, leaving only the features you need for your sessions. This creates a consistent and efficient layout for every meeting. Step 5. If you want to restore the original layout, click More in your toolbar and select Reset to Default. This quickly brings back Zoom's default arrangement while keeping your workflow flexible. Number 4. Mute participants automatically. Muting participants automatically helps keep your Zoom meetings focused and prevents background noise from disrupting the flow. This trick saves time and ensures smoother communication. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom app on your PC and sign in with your account credentials. Step 2. During a meeting, click on Participants in the bottom toolbar to open the participant list on the right side. Step 3. Locate the participant you want to mute and click the microphone icon next to their name. This will instantly mute their microphone without affecting the rest of the meeting. Step 4. To mute everyone at once, click Mute All at the bottom of the participants panel. You can also check Allow participants to unmute themselves if you want them to have control. Step 5. To make this automatic for all future meetings, go to Zoom Settings, select Meetings, and enable Mute Participants upon entry. This ensures new participants join muted, keeping your meetings distraction-free. Number 5. Record meetings. Locally on PC. Recording Zoom meetings locally ensures you have a backup copy on your computer, making it easier to review, share, or reference later. This saves time and avoids reliance on cloud storage. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom app on your PC and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. This is where you can adjust all recording preferences. Step 2. Navigate to the Recording tab and choose to save files locally. If you're using the free Zoom version, this is your only option. Step 3. Keep the recommended settings checked to ensure smooth recording. These usually include recording separate audio files for each participant and optimizing for video. Step 4. Start a new meeting by clicking New Meeting. This prepares the session for recording. Step 5. Click the Record button at the bottom right of the Zoom window. You can pause or stop the recording at any time during the meeting. Step 6. Once the meeting ends, click Leave and then End Meeting for all. Zoom will automatically convert and save the recording to your chosen local folder. Step 7. Locate the saved recording on your computer and access it anytime for review, sharing, or editing. Number 6. Use Zoom backgrounds efficiently. Customizing Zoom backgrounds helps maintain professionalism and hides distractions during meetings, saving time and keeping your focus sharp. This small tweak makes your calls look polished instantly. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop client and sign into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the left-hand menu, click Background and Filters to see the virtual background options. Step 4. Choose from Zoom's default backgrounds or click the plus icon to add your own image or video for a personalized look. Step 5. If using a physical green screen, check the I have a green screen box and click on your video to select the correct background color for optimal effect. Number 7. Share screen with specific window. Sharing only the specific window you need keeps your Zoom meetings focused and prevents distractions. It saves time by showing exactly what participants need to see without unnecessary clutter. This simple trick boosts productivity for both you and your team. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Locate the Share Screen button. In your Zoom meeting controls at the bottom, click the green Share Screen button. Step 2. Select the window. In the Sharing options, under the Basic tab, click the specific application window you want to share, like a browser tab or Word documents. Step 3. Adjust settings. Optional. If needed, check the boxes to share computer sound or optimize for video clip sharing. Step 4. Start sharing. Click the blue Share button at the bottom right corner to begin sharing your selected window. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.